Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about understanding Boolean values. Another data type is the Boolean. Booleans may only be one of the two values, true or false, or one or zero. They are basically little one on off switches where true is on and false is off. These two states are mutually exclusive. That means they can't be combined together. So Boolean values are never written with quotes. That means it is not written like this. It is just written like how we write numbers. We don't use double quotes for numbers. So in the same way, Boolean values are never written with quotes. The strings true and false are not Boolean and have no special meaning in JavaScript. It's just a string. Modify the welcome to booleans function so that it returns true instead of false when the run button is clicked. So here we need to edit this false to true. That is our challenge. So let us run the test and we have successfully completed that. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.